Hi everyone, welcome to another GoTechUp4School tutorial video. In today's episode, we will be doing a tutorial on level 13. Now, level 13 is a compilation of what you have been learning for the past few levels, which is using servomotor to control the robot's movement and using the repeat functions for places to save up your coding space. Now, in this level, pretty much it is the same. As you can see from the map, it is a square shape map. So that means you can use a repeat block here because it is a repetitive action. Now the only difference is that when you look through the tutorial, there are snakes on the road which acts as your obstacle. Now for these snakes, to remove them from the map or from the obstacle, remove them as an obstacle, you need to use the sound block here. Now to shoo the snake away, you need to use A key and B key. Alright? Again, you need to play the A key first, and then you need to play the B key. One time only, and then the snake will move away. Okay? Now, again, like the other levels, using servomotor, remember, if you want to use your servomotor, this is the block to use it. And if you want to change the direction, you have to change the value of the degree here. Remember, positive numbers to turn right, negative numbers to turn left. Okay? Maximum is 90 degree to the right and 90 degree to the left. Right. So, in order to do this, first things first you need to know is you need to learn what is the pattern that you're trying to do here. That is important. So, what I like to imagine as if you can look at the map and slash it to half. So you can imagine the first 1-2 turn is the first half. So you can the second half, which is another 1-2 turn, is your second half. So you just make the code for one half and then use the repeat, and you type in 2 times here to make it repeat twice. So let's see how this goes. So first things first, the robot will move forward, okay, and then brake and make a very sharp turn to the right. Then it will move straight and then brake, make another sharp turn to the right. Now this is where the robot will play the sound. Okay, now as it moves away, we will move forward slightly, combine it again, going up, and then it will repeat again to go to the right, pick up the portal key, and go to the right again, and get the last point and enter the portal. Now, a reminder to everyone. Is that sometimes there are some adjustments that you need to make. Example would be the space here. As you can see here, from the space here, since the space here is further from the portal, there are some codes where you need to adjust to make sure that the code manages to finish up the level while not scrambling up all the repetitive action. That is a note to be taken. Okay, so thank you very much everyone, and I will see you on level 14.